Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got some seriously exciting news for all you movie lovers and tech enthusiasts in Europe. Anker officially releases unusual projector in Europe with discount. The Soundcore Nebula X1 Pro is an innovative all-in-one 4K laser projector, designed to deliver a premium home theater experience in a portable form factor. Combining cutting-edge visual technology with immersive audio, it caters to both indoor and outdoor entertainment needs. Visual excellence. At its core, the Nebula X1 Pro boasts a triple laser 4K UHD projection system, delivering a brightness of 3,500 ANSI lumens. This ensures vivid and sharp images even in well-lit environments. The projector supports Dolby Vision HDR, enhancing contrast and color accuracy, and covers 110% of the Rec. 2020 color gamut, providing a rich and dynamic viewing experience. Its advanced image processing engine, Nebula Master, along with AI-driven features like autofocus and keystone correction, ensures optimal image alignment and clarity. Immersive audio. The audio system is equally impressive, featuring a 7.1 4-channel Dolby Atmos setup with a total power output of 400. This includes dual 80 West 5.25-inch woofers, detachable wireless rear speakers, and a front soundbar, creating a surround sound experience that envelops the listener. The FlexWave technology allows users to adjust the audio's sweet spot, ensuring consistent sound quality from any seating position. Smart features and design running on Google TV. The Nebula X1 Pro offers seamless access to streaming platforms like Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video. Its user-friendly interface, combined with voice control via Google Assistant, enhances the overall user experience. The projector's design emphasizes portability, featuring built-in wheels and a telescopic handle. Despite its robust capabilities, it maintains a manageable size of 17.530 inches and weighs 72.4 pounds. User feedback. Early reviews highlight the Nebula X1 Pro's exceptional audio and visual performance. Users appreciate the convenience of its all-in-one design, eliminating the need for separate audio systems. The projector's ability to deliver a theater-like experience, both indoors and outdoors, has been particularly praised. Pricing and availability. Priced at approximately $4,999.99. The Nebula X1 Pro positions itself as a premium offering in the portable projector market. Pre-orders are currently available, with shipping expected to commence by February 20, 2026. An optional 200-inch inflatable screen is also available for purchase, enhancing the outdoor viewing experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates.